Hi everyone, my name is Aishwarya and welcome back to Education. This is the Nishtay series for 2023. मैंने अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत की स्टडी विद ऐश्वर्या से and it was a beautiful journey since I was joined by hundreds of you aspiring aspirants with all these questions in your mind. क्या पढ़ूं, कैसे पढ़ूं, notes कैसे बनाऊं? We also had IAS officers on board to guide you, to teach you what UPSC Civil Services is really about.
Can't afford not reading a newspaper, at least 3 of them in the morning. 2 local, 1 like national newspaper. I can't afford. अब आप पूछेंगे क्यों? Because most of the information about the city, about the place, and about all the things which happened yesterday comes through the newspaper.
I came across so many of you asking questions about how to prepare notes, what to read, how to start this preparation, and so many genuine worries of yours were left unaddressed. I'm here to tell you what really you have to do individually, subjectively, to crack this examination. We are not here to sell dreams. We are not here to tell you ये किताब पढ़ लो और IAS बन जाओगे. In the past, we have posted so many videos on different topics, be it history, geography, public administration. That is the optional that we provide for at Education. In the past few months, I've met so many of you and I've come across the fact that obviously you are looking for great content, you are looking for good content जो इस examination को clear करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. But along with that, how do you retain it? How do you recall so much of information? मैं कैसे अपने कंटेंट को इतना इजीली आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करूं कि एक बार आप ये वीडियो देखें और आपको समझ में आ जाए कि आखिर ये कॉन्सेप्ट या टॉपिक किस बारे में था एंड इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू रिटेन इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. And talking about 2 of the most asked questions, number 1, why education? So all I can say is education is all about pure content, no nonsense. Number 2, our batch sizes are smaller so that we can subjectively sit with each of our candidate and work on their weaknesses, curtail them, and make sure their probability of success is higher than any other candidate in the country. And of course, 360-degree coverage of your syllabus, each and every topic of your syllabus in just 7 to 8 months. So now you know why Education. Well, today is Education's first birthday. On 13th of October 2021, this platform got its identity thanks to all of you, and this is our website that we have been working on tirelessly to bring this platform to you to access one of the most affordable and well-researched content. The support that every student needs is all provided by Education, be it lack of motivation, lack of content, everything is taken care of. These are our various courses. This is our digital library. You can go and access content for free. We are upgrading it very soon. These are the available contents on the website. You can simply go and access them. Also, along with this, we also provide mentoring sessions for a very affordable price. You can reach out to me by registering on our website or simply clicking the social media link in the description box below, and get ready. We are going to drop videos regularly on our YouTube channel. This is Education's comeback for Nishtay 2023. Every candidate preparing for 2023 civil services has to and must access these videos. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.